Hi guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Today we're going to engrave in leather. We're going to do a cute little gift for Father's Day. We're going to add some initials. I'm going to try 2 different colors of leather and you'll see the results. One more thing that I want to say is that I would like you to decide what will be my next video. One of the videos that I'm planning is how do I clean my Glowforge. And the other video is how to engrave in aluminum. So this is what I did. Let me see if you're able to see it. It's kind of hard because but this is an aluminum tag that I have. You can do this as like a necklace with this, and it came out very nice. I'm not sure if you're able to see it, but I'll add a picture somewhere in the video so you can decide which video to see next. Okay, so with that being said, let's begin. Okay guys, for the settings to engrave the leather wallet for Father's Day, this is like a cute little gift you're gonna give to your father, to your father-in-law, to your friend. So the settings that we're gonna use, we're gonna add here thick natural leather, right? And then we are going to customize. We're gonna do the speed 1000, the precision power we're gonna add 80, the lines per inch 450, and the focus height we're gonna put 0.108 inches, and number of passes is only 1. So once we have this setting, I'm gonna write it down in the video. Once we have the settings, so we're gonna add our design. I'm gonna be adding something for Father's Day since mine is for my husband. So I'm gonna add something quick here, and you add whatever you want, and let's see how it turns out. Okay, so I have my little quote here. I added my quote and I added the settings. So we just make sure like the settings are correct because we don't want to mess this up. Just like I did with this one. Look at this one. I tried to add like engrave a photo. It was a total mess. Okay, so let's see here. Our Glowforge is ready. Our settings is ready. We have our quote. So now let's proceed to see the time. Let's see how many minutes we'll get this. Okay, so it says 5 minutes and 59 seconds. So let's begin the action. Guys, our wallet is ready. I do recommend you to use a lighter color, like a brown, a light brown. You're able to see it, but it's too dark. But yeah, and I have the initials here. You see? But let me show you how it turns out. Like the brown that I have, it looks better. This one yesterday, you see this, the color, if it's a different color, not a black wallet, it turns out better. So I recommend you do it at a lighter version of the wallet.